At the heart of this beautiful interior lies our dual-screen Touch Pro Duo system. This intuitive interface can be controlled either by touch or voice activation. And the hidden till lit capacitive steering wheel switches put key functions right at your fingertips. The 12.3-inch high-resolution interactive driver display puts key information right where you need it. The full-color head-up display projects a wealth of additional information onto the windscreen. Cabin air ionization helps improve the air quality inside the vehicle, using nanotechnology to neutralize viruses, odors, and allergens to maintain a healthier atmosphere for longer. With the smartphone pack, you can access your favorite apps from your mobile phone via voice control or the touchscreen. The 4G Wi-Fi hotspot will support up to 8 mobile devices, providing the connectivity to help keep everyone entertained. The Remote app allows you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone from wherever you are. From setting the interior climate, to locating your last parked location, and even locking or unlocking the car. The Smart Settings feature recognizes you through a combination of your phone and key as you approach the vehicle, automatically reconfiguring the seats and steering wheel to your preset personal preferences. It also learns your habits, prompting your media choices and regular phone calls. The innovative ClearSight ground view system uses an array of strategically placed cameras to build a view of beneath the car, effectively letting you see through the bonnet. This ingenious technology ensures you can see more than your direct line of sight, helping you to safely navigate whatever obstacles might be thrown your way. The new Range Rover Evoque is discreetly equipped with a rear camera, along with front and rear parking aid as standard, which are dedicated to seeing and understanding the space around the vehicle. This has many benefits, one of which is perfect parking every time. With online media, the extensive music catalogues of online providers like Deezer and TuneIn can be streamed directly to the vehicle without the need for a smartphone. The optional Meridian Surround sound system has 15 perfectly placed speakers, delivering the kind of rich and luxurious sound you would expect from a Range Rover. The ClearSight rear-view mirror is another example of innovative technology from Land Rover. The system uses a discreetly placed camera within the aerial, which generates an image that is shown via an HD display within the multifunctional rear-view mirror, ensuring you have a clear line of sight even when the rear space is fully loaded. And once the sun sets, the interior comes alive with atmospheric, configurable ambient lighting. And with a selection of colors and brightness, your choice of mood is completely up to you. The Matrix LED headlights are not just striking to look at. The adaptive driving beam illuminates the road ahead with an impressive range. The system also optimizes high beam use, blocking segments of the beam to avoid dazzling any vehicles ahead, without needing to dip the beam and lose light.